there, Dr. Chris Cooper here with Cascade Chiropractic Wellness. This is Christina. She has been coming in after a car accident, but she's also been having trouble running. She was planning on doing a half marathon soon. Yep. And so she's been having kind of the hip pain, the back pain, but it's been getting worse because of the running. And so we're trying to keep her running tip top. Yeah. And so we're kind of doing that stuff. So we'll be working back, hips, and muscles today. All right, so if you want to have a lay face down here. Alrighty, so we're going to start with some muscle work, specifically targeting lower back, maybe a little bit of hips and glutes. Alright, so let's start, How's it tenderness-wise?
It's fine, yeah.
Okay, cool. So on this last big run you did, how did the hips and knees hold up?
Pretty good until I would say probably around like 4.5, 5 miles. And then I think it was just my body kind of tensing towards the end.
Did you feel it up in here again?
Not as much.
Okay, good. Alrighty. I'm gonna whip out the hypervolt.
Yeah.
Tenderize these muscles. If it's too intense, just let me know, okay?
No problem.
All right. So what I'm feeling is a lot of tension down here at the SI joints and quite a bit at L5 and L4. And then right as we get to about T10, 11, and all the way up.
Oh, it was worse than I thought. It felt so much better.
Yeah, it's not as bad as it was last time, but definitely some stuff to work on. And part of this is probably the running, and part of it's probably the car accident.
Yeah.
All right, so let's start right here. All right, take a big breath in, big breath out. Very good. Take a big breath in, big breath out. Good. Feels like one more. Big breath in, all the way out. There we go. You okay?
Yeah.
We're going to tuck and fold you here. Let that shoulder roll all the way back. See if we can grab L5 with it too. Good. Pull here again, fold up like this. Let that shoulder roll back and hips rock forward. Good. Okay, laying your back for me, please. So actually quite a bit going on the neck today. Well, and it moves pretty well though.
Okay, sounds like I didn't really feel it, but
Excellent range of motion that way. Could be a little bit better that way.
I'm gonna say when you went that way, I could feel it a little bit, almost into my shoulder blade.
Yeah. So a little adjustment down here, C4. And bring it way over, just let the head relax. Do a little push. And go a little deeper here. And one more. There you go. Good. Okay, Christina, let's check the hips out. I'm digging the pants.
Like Charlotte might not approve it.
I know. Got the cat pants.
Yeah.
Corgi office, not allowed.
Yeah. Should have known better.
It's not too bad. We're going to do a little tug on the hip. Let this relax. Wonderful. Beautiful. Let's check knee. Good. A little pull on the ankle too. Good. All right. Kind of similar. Tight, but not so bad.
That's probably good. That's not just all on one side or the other.
Very true. There you go. Good. All right. Well, how you feeling?
Good.
Move around a little bit. Make sure nothing's feeling achy.
No, it's good.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Well, you're all set. Thank you so much for letting us film it.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
Keep running.